In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix cursor jumps or moves randomly while typing on Windows 11. So let's get started. Press Windows key and R button together to open the run window. Type main.cpl. Click on OK. Now the mouse properties window will be open. Click on the pointer options. Uncheck this option, enhance pointer precision. If this is checked, uncheck it. And then click on apply, click on OK. And then again, press Windows key and R, type main.cpl, hit enter. In the mouse properties window, you have to click on pointer options, uncheck it again, enhance pointer precision, and uncheck this option, hide pointer while typing. Click on apply and click on OK. Next method. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials and videos like this. So right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, you have to simply locate mice and other pointing devices. And then you have to uninstall all the drivers from here. Right click, select uninstall device. And then click on the uninstall button. Now, once you have uninstalled it, you cannot use your mouse. So you have to use the tab keys. Okay? Tab keys. And then down arrow key to get into the mice and other pointing devices. And just hit enter. And then tab key. Right arrow key. Tab key to get into the uninstall device and hit enter. And then hit enter again to uninstall it. After clicking the uninstall button, press Windows key on keyboard. Use the tab key to get into the user account, and then right arrow key to get into the power button, hit enter. Down arrow key to get into the restart button and hit enter. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the drivers into your Windows. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.